It is 6:00 p.m. and I call to order the February 2nd, 2021 Board of Trustees Workshop. Do I hear a motion to open the general session?
So moved.
Thank you, Dr. Powers. Do I have a second?
Second.
Thank you, Mr. Anderson. All in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? And motion carries. We are meeting tonight in compliance with CDC recommendations. The auditorium has been thoroughly cleaned and sanitized before the meeting and will be after the meeting also. District staff will also sanitize the microphone before and after staff presentations. All board members, employees, or other individuals in attendance are encouraged to social distance and must wear a face covering at all times. Since this is a workshop, there will not be a citizens participation section. However, the board is always available for questions or concerns. You can reach out to the board by email, telephone, or mail, and our contact information is available on the Lexington One website. We welcome all messages. There is limited seating to maintain social distancing. Once that seating is filled, attendees are asked to go to the staff development room, overflow room, where they can watch the meeting while observing social distancing guidelines. The public is encouraged to watch the meeting on our YouTube channel. After the meeting, the district will follow its previously established process by posting a video of the meeting to the district's YouTube channel, Lex One video site, and our own website. The district is in compliance with the South Carolina Freedom of Information Act by notifying the media of the date, time, and place of the meeting. The district tapes the meeting for accuracy in preparing the minutes. I now call on Ms. Jada Garris for the Pledge of Allegiance. Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
So moved.
Thank you, Dr. Powers. Is there a second?
Second.
Thank you, Mr. Oswald. All in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? All right. I have a little quote here from Henry Ford. It says, "Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success." Every 2 years, and sometimes more often than that, we have a brand new board. Every time a new member is added, we become a new board. Dr. Little has seen complete turnover of the board in his first 4.5 years in Lexington One. All of us have been elected to our seats in the last 4 years. Even including Dr. Powers' previous service on the board, the average tenure of our board members is 37 months, barely over 3 years. Not only are we a new board in 2021, we are also all still relatively new board members. Training for every new board is an important investment in us as leaders and a critical investment in the success of our board. Our board's success is a cornerstone of the district's success. Team building is an essential part of board training. Team building isn't holding hands and singing Kumbaya, in spite of what Mr. Anderson requested. Team building is being intentional about building productive and constructive working relationships between us and with the superintendent. Research has proven that a strong relationship between board members and with the superintendent improves student achievement, and that's why we are all here.